Hey, what's good, YouTube? This is Double Up with Astro, and I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. Today, I wanted to hop on camera to give you a new video on Textbot.ai, and I want to show you ways that you can make $100 over and over again using this SMS marketing tool. And this SMS marketing tool allows you to be able to connect through SMS text messages and by sharing a phone number that's given to you once you sign up and be a part of Textbot.ai. And this virtual assistant by the name of Ava take control of your leads and be able to give them a walkthrough and to be able to welcome them into the system, and how just to set the prompts up to show them that how SMS marketing works. And I love this platform, and I've been with this platform for quite some time. It allowed me to know how to generate leads, and just by a virtual assistant doing all the work for me. So that's one thing I love about Textbot.ai, and I can set it up wherever I want, how I want it, and I could use this platform to push out any business that I have, and you can do the same too. And I'm gonna show you here deep into the back office, but before I get deep into this video, make sure you hit the like and subscribe to this video and to this channel, and to hit that notification bell so you'll be able to get upcoming tips and tricks and strategies that I use on a daily basis on my marketing of operations that I use. So this is Textbot.ai. Now, there are other platforms other than Textbot.ai that's out there, and they have it's all types of SMS marketing platforms you want to use, and this is something that you can use that's besides email marketing, because when you think of text message marketing, which is SMS, it's basically business in a box, and you don't have to worry about what you have to go through in the email marketing. Now, email marketing is still effective, but with email marketing, you have to use that platform. You have to use email marketing to write good copy, so you can be able to make attraction to people to look at your opportunity, whether you have a good title, a good body, good information that can help other marketers on their marketing. But with SMS marketing, all you have to do is send a text message. And think about it, more people are on their cell phones each day. Everyone has a cell phone device that they use. So you can imagine how much easier and quicker that text message is being read. So you're looking up to like 30 to 90 seconds when someone's received something on their phone number. So that's when Textbot.ai comes into effect. And using this, goes real well. So, of course, with any text message platform, you have to buy usage credits. You can buy a low package for $10 to get credits, so you can be able to send and receive text messages. All right. You can also purchase numbers. Now, that's when you buy Ava Plus to purchase numbers and things like that. Now, I'm with the Ava Plus. I haven't really been active with Ava Plus, but to get started with Ava Basic is a one-time $100, and you just get $10 a month just to keep your cell phone active. And this shows you the people that I have to opt into my my product. Now, it's a lot of people that haven't been active yet, but you can see that I got a couple members that are active. All right. Now, here on the left hand side, this is where you have all of your resellers. As far as the Facebook group, and I'm gonna go show you the Facebook group as well to show you that it's people with testimonials showing that this system does work, which it does work. These are your resources right here. This is showing you your resources of what you can use to promote Textbot. You got your solo ad swipes, you got your email swipe copies, and you also got pictures and posters that you can use on, like if you want to promote on Facebook, Pinterest, or Twitter. You can use these ad copies, and you can use you can see this picture post that you can use. Okay, You can also use this on Facebook stories as well as Instagram. All right. Also, you can also see the leaderboards as well. You have your own custom links that you can use besides sharing a phone number. You can use these links on different platforms so you can get tracked, because it has its own tracking system, so you can see how many people hit, how many total hits you can get. And I got different things that I use to promote this. Okay, this is the training. This is where you can look at different training. They have a Tech Talk Tuesday that you can check out every Tuesday. They have updates on, for newcomers coming into this system. They also have product training. And this is something that you can check out too when you get started with Textbot.ai. Now, you want to know how can you promote this with Textbot.ai. First, let me show you. This is the check. This is Ava. Remember I was telling you about Ava, the virtual assistant. So just think, once you share your number, it's people that's going to be coming into this funnel. And Ava is going to take control of the conversations, So she's going to text on your behalf, and she's going to send a link out so they could be able to click on that link, and she can follow up. And just think about it. Every 24 hours, if a person doesn't respond when Ava gives them the message, Ava will give them a follow-up message to give them your opportunity so they could be able to click on. So that's very, very special on that. Okay. And see, Ava, and you could text on your own behalf. And I could say things like, hey, did you check out the opportunity yet? And that will leave room for them to respond. Okay. So, these are all my contacts that came upon, through this funnel that went through Ava. You can see everything in blue. Ava is conversating. She making sure they get their name, making sure that they, send the email, and, to follow up. And she's sending a text message to them, just to keep them to follow up. So this is SMS marketing, guys, at its best, okay? And this can help you if you want to get started. The link in the description will be below. Like I said, with this program, you can make $100 over and over again. So just think, when someone comes through this funnel, you could be making this in your sleep. So the link in the description will be below. If this video done some good to you, give it a like. Also, if you have any questions or concerns on how to use this opportunity, make sure you leave your comments in the comment section. All right, so that's what I wanted to show you guys. This is Double Up with Astro. I see you guys in the next video.